If you look at the thumbnail picture, is mine. If you look at the before and after, you will see the difference because I did a great job. This is summertime. I gonna rock my bikini. So if you want to see me rocking my bikini, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel. Then you'll see everything about my summer. Please like and follow our page. Subscribe to Joyful Baby Care. God bless you. Thank you. Hi guys, now Lady Joyful Baby Care. I say make I come show una how I take the work on my tummy. As a mother, if I thought you don't born even just one, your tummy must rise. It not be say you get belly, they call her gonfiore. I go tell una the secrets as time goes on. But this one I want tell una how I take the remove the hair for my tummy. No be say that fatness where that belly job, that one a breeze oh hair. It dey pain, it dey disturb. The way I take care of my tummy, make that hair no dey come. You see this fruit that they call a kiwi. When I wake up in the morning, I go try to eat 2 of this. Not be food they make person dey healthy. Now the kind of food where you dey eat. This fruit now, it contain vitamin. That they call a kiwi. And sorry, sir, the too much I dey eat. This fruit, it go make you go toilet. When I eat and finish, now go drink a cup of water. Full cup of water. Before the days run out, I go toilet. And if you be person wey say you know they go toilet always, it no good. It no good. When we talk at toilet, if person even go admission for hospital, first thing where they go ask before they will discharge you, more than wash. Most of people where they're born with operation, if you never shit or you never mess, they don't go let man, I feel no verse on my broken and my English. Now let the only way I go fit to express myself when the thing goes sweet. Come join me. If you never mess, you never shit, they not go discharge you. Because now that one now go measure say yes, you dey healthy. Person wey no dey mess, you know the shit. Quick go see doctor. If you because now as you take grow the belly, as you take throwing the stomach, as you take throwing the body, now body take dey follow. Like me now, there is no money I no go toilet, and I must go toilet. And there is no more money when before I get off of bed finish, I must throw away 2 bomb, prum, because I don't comot the gas. You know why? When I dey on top of bed, I go raise up my leg up. I go try to do some exercise with my leg go up. As I dey get up now, so you go hear prum. I thank God my husband not dey there around that time. He go say, this woman you too mess. Because he knows that I dey mess well. Apart from me, we know to joke put me. Now the truth I dey tell now. Then try to dey drink water. Water is more necessary for the earth. As I chop and finish now, I will drink 1 cup of water. Or before I chop and I will drink 1 cup of water. I just all break. May not be like I dey talk, I dey eat. Then when I don't eat this thing finish, then I go come wear my sportive clothes more. I know the sometimes if at the time I will go waka, especially as this weather good, I go waka. You know say waka good. I will do on my kufia. My children don't go school. I carry them go school. Ma, I dey go waka. I know they do this one for anybody. I did one for myself. And I know they go waka for where. Now my secret I dey tell now. So I know they go waka for where people full, where they look store, because it go distract you. I go Paco. They call Abako. Now natural. One day I go carry on, I go there. Natural trees 9 days there. You go still see white oyibo. I go wear my canvas, wear my shoe, wear my sportive like this. So you see me say I'm sportive. I go just begin the waka they go. Even at 30 minutes, 1 hour. I go waka come. If you be the person where they do sports, now so you go there, you no money where you no go toilet. If you never go toilet, you no go there yourself. Why? Now waiting master your body. Why are they talk all these ones? I dey see most of our women, their problem na stomach. Yes, na stomach, because na stomach now we don't born. And secondly, if woman want see menses, the belly go still rise more till that menses go come finish. More na dey wash am. Oh, may I say I get a lot to tell now for this channel. Wanna try subscribe. Follow me on my page, Joyful Baby Care. I love you all. I love you all, and may God bless you. Give us the strength. Una see this summer where they come so. Una want see me on bikini. Me, I know the shame because I did perfect with my body. Apart from only one thing, which time they come, I go no. Any other thing, it complete for my body. If you want to see me on bikini, try follow me for this page, this YouTube. As I tell they go river. If I feel put myself, if I dey go river and I go beach or go swimming pool, I go there on bikini for river. Why not if you put that for YouTube? Now my page now. So we mothers, we should try and take care of ourselves. It's a good thing. Of our health. Our health is very important. You know say sport is good for the heart. As time goes on, I say we will talk many things. Try and subscribe. Today we will talk about the tummy. That is how I reduce my tummy. And we will talk about the many foods that you can avoid sometimes when they make belly the fats. Okay? Try and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Be part of the family and God will bless you. Okay? Bye-bye. Right now, you will see the sports when I do. Just hold on. You will see when I did try to teach about the sports I did. Bye. Continue watching it so you will see everything you understand. Leave your comment below. Leave your opinion below. But concerning this topic I'm saying, okay, this content I'm saying, whatever. Bye-bye. Hi guys, now lady Joyful Baby. Right now, I want to show now how to remove big belly, big stomach. Like me now, the mother of 3. See my stomach. Mother of 3. You cannot get any grass. You cannot get any fat. Why? Because I work on it. Especially when you be mother, when you don't give birth to children. There is no hour your tummy will come back to the level. Except you work on it. It will be a little bit smooth, but it can never come back. One of the exercises I do, just try and follow this video to the end. And if you have not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. One of the exercise I do to tummy my waist, I will tell you, I'm 43 years old this year. And I have 3 kids. My first son is 70 years now. So you can see I am building up myself. I am building up myself from my head to my toes. If you ask me, what will be my fear? My fear no be old though. Old age no be my fear. Death no be my fear. My fear now, make I no fit do wetin I did do before. Na be my fear. I get fear to see I no go fit. No. So once you dey work on your body, on your joints, on your muscles, on your, as you dey grow old, na so you dey get more strength. So make we do this exercise. So I wear my if you na the type wey be say you know you get that tummy too much, for you, if you wan do exercise, take the tummy in, breathe in, then you take am in. If you na the type wey you dey wear belt, you fit still wear your belt, but you know say that belt e dey skull model. Skull model is e dey disturb too much. I don't like using the belt except it is for necessary purpose, or if it is the medical that authorize me to use it. But if it is not the medical that authorize me to use it, I don't want to use it. So you see my tummy now. I eat every type of food, Italian food, African food. So let's go for the exercise. If you get check for divine like this for us, no need when you just sit down, bruh, dey chop. You know what you do? That divine on, take and do your exercise. You go put your hand like this. You go put your leg like this. This your tummy, you go draw it in. You go dey carry this your leg, they come. They carry and they go. You are not just walking on only the tummy. You are walking for all the body. All these parts, your ear, and you know say woman leg not still get muscle. You know they find to wear short thing though. Okay, let's go for the exercise now. You go like this. You dey draw and but you put your tummy in, you put your tummy in. Like this way you stay, so you don't put, you dey work on your tummy. Like this way you just dey so. It is only you for just to dey go small like this. Small like this. Don't do it fast for not damaging your back. Just dey, if you no fit do that one, you go come to this way. I don't know whether they see me. Make I do another exercise. You go lay down for ground. When you lay down, you go do your leg up like this. See it? Do your leg up like this. Then you go dey get up. As you say you want get up. No get up finish you, because if you know they good on it, no get up finish, because it will damage some of your bones. But if you be the type where we say you love exercise, you don't dey perfect, you feel they go, they come, they go, they come. This is one of the exercises I do. Sometimes I do this. Just raise the leg up like this. Then you go still draw your tummy in. Touch my tummy. Now the muscles go draw in. Then you will go going like this. Going like this. On this aspect, you are not just working on only the tummy. You are working on your leg, your glute. Try and do it as a mother. May we forget about, nobody no get big stomach, but it is how you work on it. And I will tell now the things when they result to big stomach. Try subscribe to this YouTube channel. You will never regret it. You will love it, what I'm doing. Okay? Bye-bye.